Lenny Lehman, Mr. Blues Man. Song goes out to Ted Mishler, Gary Schwartz, the old guys at the Pocket, a lot of old times, way time ago. It's called The Day That Comedy Flooded Its Time. The day that comedy flooded its time, day, day, and bye-bye. It's time to say hi. I've been sad all this time, still thinking about the good time. The laughs of yesterday, all the people hurried by. I see the stars in the sky, stages come and stages go. But where do I go from here? Fear, I have no clue. I only know what I used to do. Smiles, but not for me. The stage grows dark, you see. Funny, the other day, Star Search came our way. I told a joke that stole the day. I said, hey Ted, we're on our way. Skeeter twins have come and gone, smoking weed and living for the day. Painting with Gary and the boys, North Dakota and Star Search again. Ted and Lenny steal the show, and on it goes. The day that comedy fled its time. Day, bye. It's time to say hi. The laughter has all died down now. Snow has fallen to the ground. No one smiles here today. Dreams gone and life smashed along the way. But then I think of great days past. It brings a smile to my face. I sing day, bye. It's time to say hi. It's time to be happy once again. Life goes on and never ends. Day, bye. Hi, day, bye. It's time to say hi. For Lenny Lehman, Mr. Blues Man, thank you. Have a great day. God bless.